Oh, hi there guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I am Mahin Javed once again with you, and today's video is gonna be all about me. So I get a lot of questions about where do I study, what do I like to eat, where do I like to go for hanging out, and what is my relationship status, everything, a lot of questions. So I decided to make a quick video for my YouTube channel for all of you to know me better. So in today's video, I'll be answering all the questions that I got from you guys on my Insta story. And if you like the video, then do like and subscribe to my channel. And also, for those of you who aren't already following me on my Instagram, the link is in my description. So do give me a follow there and stay connected as my Insta and YouTube family. So without wasting any more time, we'll just dive right into the questions. And the first question that I got was, what is your favorite place to eat? Well, I'm a big time foodie और मुझे तो बहुत सारी जगह को खाना बहुत पसंद है, but I am a sucker for Chinese and I totally love Chinese food. तो यहाँ पे कराची में, as I live in Karachi, Pakistan, तो कराची में जिन सोए का Chinese has my heart. The next question says, what brought you to makeup industry? Well, since my childhood I have been so much into makeup. मतलब मुझे बचपन से मेकअप का इतना शौक था गाइस कि रिमेंबर बचपन में एक वो आती थी वाइट कलर का, वो ग्लॉस होता था, आप उसको लिप्स पे लगाओ तो इट यूज्ड टू टर्न ऑल पिंक. I used to wear that as well. Started from that and now we're here at Anastasia. Anyways, so makeup का मुझे शुरू से ही बहुत शौक है. I have been self-taught all my life up till now. I'm 22 years old. And उसके अलावा मैंने अब जाके कुछ certifications की हैं. So makeup has been my passion since forever. Then the other question says, what is your age? Well, I just answered that. I am 22 years old and I'll turn 23 this August. And my date of birth is 28 August 1997. So don't forget to wish me there. Then the other question is, your skin is very glowing and flawless. माशाल्लाह, thank you so much. How and ये secret क्या है? यार मैं वैसे तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें अपने face पे, मेरे बहुत different जो है स्किन के रूटीन्स हैं और मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करती हूँ, बट कीपिंग इन माइंड कि मेरी स्किन को किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है. मैं हर आधी टेढ़ी चीज़ अपने मुंह पे नहीं लगा लेती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज एग्जामिन कि मेरे फेस पे क्या चीज़ सूट करेगी और मेरे फेस को किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, और मैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अपने रूटीन सेट करती हूँ. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू नो माई सीक्रेट्स और माई ब्यूटी रूटीन्स, यू कैन जस्ट गिव मी अ फॉलो ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन केयर ट्यूटोरियल्स ओवर देयर. देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आर यू मैरिड? No, I'm not married. I'm not married as of yet. There were so many questions about आप इतनी प्यारी क्यों हैं? Why are you so beautiful? And that is all so sweet of you guys. I love you all so much. Thank you for appreciating me and thank you for being so sweet all the time. Then there was this question which said, who motivates and supports you the most? Well, a lot of people who have motivated me. मेरी ज़िंदगी में मुझे बहुत लोगों ने मोटिवेट किया है अपने हर चीज़ में, नॉट जस्ट दिस जर्नी बट अ लॉट ऑफ अदर जर्नीज एज वेल, क्योंकि वी ऑल नो हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते रहते हैं. एंड मुझे थ्रू आउट द टाइम मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया है, and some of my friends as well, so they've been really kind and really supportive. So because of my parents and few of my friends, I'm here right in front of you guys. Then this says, who do you love the most? Well, I love my parents the most, of course, my dad and my mother. They're like my heart. I love them. Then the other question says, where did you do your schooling from? Well, I completed my O-levels from the city school in the year 2014, and then I did my A-levels from Foundation Public School in Karachi, and that I completed in 2016, and now I am doing my bachelor's in media science. और मेरा अभी 5th semester है, because of this quarantine thing, वो पता नहीं उसको क्या होने वाला है, but अभी I am currently a student of media science. Now this girl asked, which eyelash glue do you use? Well, my all-time favorite, hands down the best eyelash glue I've ever used is Sweet Touch London Key eyelash glue. It's like amazing. You guys have to try it out if you're into makeup and stuff. Then the other question she asked was, which is your favorite eyeshadow palette and your highlighter palette? Well, my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette, which I really suggest and highly recommend, is Jaclyn Hill palette. वो ऐसी पैलेट है कि उसमें आपको हर तरह के शेड्स मिल जाते हैं, मैट्स, शिमर्स, और वो स्पेशल वो बिगिनर्स के लिए एज वेल एज प्रोफेशनल जो लोग हैं उन लोग के लिए भी बहुत बेनिफिशियल है. मतलब वो ऐसी पैलेट है जो हर कोई इजीली यूज़ कर सकता है. सो आई हाईली रिकमेंड जैकलिन हिल की पैलेट. एंड माई फेवरेट हाईलाइटर पैलेट इज़, oh my god, I am so much in love with Ofra ki highlighter palette. It is amazing, guys. You guys have to try it out. If you've got Ofra's highlighter palette, you don't need anything else in your life. No highlighter palette. It is hands down the best palette. Then there were a lot of very cute messages which said, you are loved, so honest, and I like the way you talk, you're so beautiful. Then it says why so beautiful. Then this one really had me like, this really touched my heart, which said I'm so proud of you, keep growing. And this made me so happy, guys. Trust me, everything about, but I love it when you guys appreciate all the efforts that I do for you, and that means a lot. Your appreciation means a lot. Then this again asked, what is your relationship status? Anyways, moving on. Then the other question that I have here is, how many siblings do you have? Well, I am the youngest in my family. I have 2 siblings, an elder sister and a brother. They're both married, mashallah. They have beautiful kids. I love them so much. They're like my heart. उनके बगैर लगता है दिन गुजरता ही नहीं है. Then the other question said, who are you most attached to? किससे सबसे ज़्यादा attached हूँ मैं? वैसे तो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा अपने father से attached हूँ. मतलब my father is like, he works in another city. वो यहाँ पे नहीं होते हैं, so I really miss him when he's not here because I'm so close to him. But obviously my mother is always with me, so I'm extremely attached to her. And of course my kids, like मेरे भाई की बेटी, वो हर वक्त मेरे साथ होती है. She's super cute. And one of the question here said, have you ever smoked? No, I have never smoked. And the other question said, have you ever used drugs? Guys, and there's this question which said, which is your favorite food? Well, I love all sorts of food. I love Chinese, I love desi food, I love, oh my god, I'm so in love with junk food. Junk food has my heart. That one question here said, what's your height? My height is 5'5", and yeah, I am tall. I'm a tall girl. Alright, so the other question asks, आपके eyes का क्या color है? मेरी eyes का natural color is light brown, and that looks super cute in sunshine. Then it says कि आपको कौन से lip shades पसंद है? See, I am a sucker for nude shades. मुझे nude shades, light pinks, light browns बहुत पसंद है. वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझ पे बहुत अच्छे भी लगते हैं. But अगर मुझे कोई heavy glam करना हो या बाहर जाना हो किसी पार्टी में रात को, तो I love wearing red color. And 2 red shades मुझे बहुत पसंद हैं. एक ColourPop का ultra matte lipstick है उनकी, liquid lipstick, that is in the shade Ariba. And the other red that I highly recommend is Maca Ruby Woo. And the pink that I'm wearing right now is like my all-time favorite, Anastasia ka Catnip. This is, guys, a must-have. Foundations that I recommend, the first one, top of the list, is Too Faced ka Born This Way. It's my favorite foundation. Then I recommend Juvia's. Then I recommend Huda Beauty. And then I recommend L'Oreal Infallible and Maybelline Fit Me. Pizza or burger? Tough question, but burgers. Then the other question asks, what is your full name? Well, my full name is Mahin Javed Bernie. Then another question asks, who is your makeup inspiration? Well, you guys will not believe, but honestly, I do not do or recreate looks that I'm inspired of. I think of a certain thing and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this will look good on my face and वो अच्छा look create होगा जो मैं आप लोगों को सिखा सकूँ in my tutorials, and I just create them. I'm not highly inspired by anyone, but हाँ, अगर मैं ये suggest करूँ कि मुझे 2 लोग जो अच्छे लगते हैं, one is Nikki Tutorials and the other is Huda Beauty. How did you find the Huda Wishful thing? Well, Huda Wishful is a yes from my side. उसने मेरी skin पे इतने instant results दिए थे, guys, instant results. और पता है, जब instant results आते हैं ना स्किन केयर, किसी भी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट के, इतनी अच्छी फीलिंग आती है, trust me. I hope you guys can agree to that. So Huda Wishful is a yes. Then it says, what's your hair care routine? Well, my hair care, I don't have any specific hair care routine, but मैं अपने बालों में तेल बहुत ज़्यादा लगाती हूँ. Like I oil my hair twice a week at least. और ये नहीं कि मैंने ओवरनाइट लगा दिया, बिकॉज आई एम अ पर्सन जो ओवरनाइट तेल लगा ही नहीं सकता, मुझे अजीब घुटन शुरू हो जाती है. सो व्हाट आई डू इज़, मैं भले नहाने से 2 घंटे पहले लगा लूँ, बट मैं ज़रूर ऑयलिंग करती हूँ, बिकॉज हमारे बालों को खाना चाहिए. Hair needs food, okay? Like we need food, our skin needs food, our hair needs food as well. So what I do is I mix mustard oil with castor oil and I apply it to my hair and leave it on for a good 2 to 3 hours, and then I just wash off using any good shampoo that you have. You can wash off with that. और इसके अलावा I use good masks on my hair. तो मैं वीडियो इंशाल्लाह दूसरी बनाऊंगी जिसमें मैं आपको अच्छे hair masks recommend करूंगी. Then it says, what is your zodiac? Well, I was born in August and I am a pretty Virgo. Alright, so that was all about the answering segment. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did filming it. And if you liked the video and you enjoyed it, don't forget to drop in a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back real soon with something more exciting. Or जाने से पहले, all I want to say is, guys, tough times are here, but this shall pass too. Stay strong, stay positive, stay home, stay healthy, take care of yourselves and take care of your loved ones. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.